एक महीने के अंदर अंदर I was able to have a good hold on those type of questions. Like we don't have to use any fancy vocabularies while writing any kind of essay.
Great.
Just be normal and be natural. Every time तो तुक्का काम नहीं आएगा ना, so
बिल्कुल
you should work on your difficulties.
राइट राइट बिल्कुल
This girl was having issues in reading and speaking, then how she managed to score 7 in both modules in the first attempt. She just took 1 month to score 7 in both modules, and overall her overall score is also 7. But how this happened in just a month? तो आज हम बात करेंगे निशा शरावत की सक्सेस स्टोरी के बारे में. शी इज़ बेसिकली फ्रॉम दिल्ली. उन्होंने कैसे प्रेपरेशन की, हर एक मॉड्यूल को कैसे कैसे टाइम दिया, उनकी जो वीकनेस थी वो क्या थी. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो में इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. Now let's jump straight to the recording.
well good morning Nisha.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so today I will ask you some questions that what kind of strategies you adapted to score well, right? So what was your
Okay.
score by the way, first of all?
It was overall 7.
Overall 7. And for
Yeah.
how long did you prepare?
Around 1 month.
Okay, great. Okay, so there will be 5 questions that I will be asking. The first one is your weakness, and other
Okay.
fours are related to the modules, that how did you prepare, right?
Okay.
And yes, the first one is your weakness. Okay, when you started preparing for IELTS, when you were in that time, है ना? So like, what kind of
Hmm.
difficulties did you face?
Uh, for me, the hardest module was, reading initially.
Okay.
But I have practiced a lot. I have,
Mm-hmm.
practiced from many Cambridge books, and I was doing work on my
Mm-hmm.
weaknesses. Like I was having initially problem in headings.
Okay.
So what I did,
Mm-hmm.
I initially did many questions related to that part only.
Okay, तो आपने वो
Then
वाला
I
क्वेश्चन टाइप आपने उठाया है ना?
हाँ यस हाँ जी मैंने वो उठाया उसके बाद दूसरे वाला तो
Okay.
एक महीने के अंदर अंदर आई वाज एबल टू हैव अ गुड होल्ड ऑन दोज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस
Great.
so yes after
Mm-hmm.
after that
Mm-hmm.
yeah writing was
हाँ.
not a kind of difficult module for me.
Okay. So your main weakness was, I guess, reading, है ना?
Reading,
Initially,
yes,
but later on,
yeah.
हाँ, later on बाद में
इसके बाद मुझे स्पीकिंग में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी
किस
बिकॉज
हाँ.
यू नो my English was not that much bad. It was I had a good hold on that language, but the thing is that I was not able to speak in front of other people. It was
Confidence.
hesitation. Yeah, it was hesitation and
Hesitation.
low self confidence. So
Mm-hmm.
what I did, I uh, made a lot of recordings,
Oh.
and I spoke in front of mirror,
Mm-hmm.
and after speaking and after recording my own voice I
Mm-hmm.
used to listen my own voice, and
Mm-hmm.
I worked on my weaknesses, and after some time
Mm-hmm.
what I saw okay I was improving.
Great. Wow.
Yeah.
That means you did mirror speaking and recordings, right? And after
Yes,
that,
yes,
you
yes.
used to listen to those recordings.
They are the most important thing while improving your speaking. I
Mm-hmm.
must say that everyone should adopt these kind of strategies for speaking. It is
Great.
not a difficult task.
Mm-hmm.
Scoring 7 in speaking is difficult, but
Yes, you scored
until
7,
you
right?
don't work hard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about like reading? है ना? Students mostly find difficulty in reading. But how would you like to suggest?
Uh, I will suggest that don't feel it as a burden,
Mm-hmm.
because in my initial days when I was preparing for IELTS, I thought that it is a kind of burden for me
Mm-hmm.
because I just run away from reading every time.
Okay.
So the thing is that I practice a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I worked on each type of questions
Okay.
separately and individually,
Mm-hmm.
and what I have seen that I improved
Great.
day by day. So I will say that don't run away, just face your all difficulties
Mm-hmm.
with all your confidence, and you will be successful one day.
Yes,
So this
actually,
is the
na,
main
हाँ,
thing.
with this, like there are some students who used to tell me that, sir, I have issue. and
Mhm.
yes no not given, and I just like do tukka thing. मैं तुक्का लगाता हूँ,
Mhm.
तुक्का लगाते हैं, but वही है
Mhm.
ना, we have to face the difficulties, then only we
No,
can
no.
get rid of it.
Every time तो तुक्का काम नहीं आएगा ना. So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
you should work on your difficulties.
right बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Uh,
And yes, let's move towards writing.
okay.
So what, how did you prepare?
Uh, for writing, I have seen many, YouTube videos also,
Mm-hmm.
and I have what I have did that I have read many IELTS 9 band essays from
Great,
internet.
great, great,
The
great.
main thing is that we don't have to
Mm-hmm.
be complex.
Mm-hmm.
Like we don't have to use any fancy vocabularies while writing any kind of essays.
Great.
Just be normal and be natural.
Mm-hmm.
Just try to write complex sentences. This is the main thing in
Yes,
writing.
yes.
So मैंने भी ऐसे ही किया पहले.
Mm-hmm.
I have read many essays from internet and
Mm-hmm.
then I worked on myself and I have seen कि मेरी गलतियाँ कहाँ होती है.
Mm-hmm.
Because I was initially writing many simple sentences, which was not good
Mm-hmm.
because I was getting 6 band in that type of writing.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, by writing simply.
After
Now
reading
later
those
on.
essays, yeah, I got above 6 band, so
Mm-hmm.
it was good for everyone to read those kinds of essays
Yes,
from
yes.
internet.
Great.
So listening was not issue for me
Mm-hmm.
anytime because every time in practice module also I was getting above 8
Mm-hmm.
or 7.5. And so I will say that for listening you have to listen the listening recordings many times as much as you can, or you should watch your web series to improve your English,
Okay, great,
like
great.
web series or any of the English
Mm-hmm.
movies you have interested
Yeah.
in.
You know what? In
Okay.
the episode one, there was also student. He also told about web
Mhm.
series, and you're also telling
Mhm.
him. That means yes, this thing actually work.
Yeah, actually watching English movies improves your English
Mm-hmm.
skills also and listening skills also. So it is very necessary to watch such kind of movies.
Great, great.
You can watch it with subtitles also.
Yes,
It's
this is
not
amazing.
necessary कि ऐसे देखो.
This is amazing. Yes. Okay, so this is the end of the interview, and before leaving, just आप एक बार बता दो कोई आप स्पेशल टिप अपनी देना चाहते हो स्टूडेंट्स को जो आपने अपने टाइम में प्रिपेयर की थी टू स्कोर 7.
Special tip ये है कि घबराना नहीं है. Just be confident with yourself that you can do well. And for reading, I have told this is the main hurdle for everybody, I will say.
Yes.
Just don't run away from it. Just practice hard. Just
Yes.
अपना बेस्ट दो और अपने वीकनेसेस पे काम करोगे. And 1 month is enough to score 7 in reading, I would say, and speaking also.
Yes.
So just be confident and don't ever lose your confidence because IELTS में यही जरूरी होता है. आपको confidence होना
बिल्कुल.
चाहिए अपने आप पे.
बिल्कुल
So this is the main thing I will suggest everybody.
Great. And Nisha, nice to talk with you, and thank you. This will definitely motivate students also. Thank you
Oh,
for
thank you,
coming.
sir. Thank you.
सो दिस वॉज द रिकॉर्डिंग एंड आई होप कि आप इनसे कुछ स्ट्रेटजीज इनकी शायद यूज़ करके अडेप्ट करके आप स्कोर बढ़िया कर सकते हो. ठीक है. एंड दिस वॉज द सेकंड एपिसोड. आई होप कि आपको ये सीरीज़ पसंद आ रही है. इसके लिए प्लीज़ सपोर्ट ज़रूर करें एंड ताकि इस लॉकडाउन में आपको कोई बेनिफिट हो. ठीक है. तो ये सीरीज़ कंटिन्यू करेंगे टू सेकंड एपिसोड एंड द थर्ड विल बी कमिंग सून. सैम्पल्स एंड vocabulary are ready. You will get all those videos tomorrow. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because new cue cards will be out soon and all the cue cards will be available on my channel exclusively. Okay, thank you so much. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you like it.